welcome to 8 PM News, and you are watching top news of the hour. After about 15 hours of discussions, the delegations of Afghanistan and Pakistan have presented a draft proposal to each other in an effort to reach a consensus on the peace talks. The Afghanistani side has demanding that no violation of its airspace and land borders should occur, and demanding that Pakistan not allow opposition groups to use Pakistani territory against Afghanistan. Delhi's air quality remained in the very poor category on Monday, even as the weather department forecast partly cloudy weather with chances of very light rain. According to the CPCB, an AQI between 0 and 50 is considered good, 51 and 100 satisfactory, 101 and 200 moderate, 201 and 300 poor, 301 and 400 very poor, and 401 and 500 severe. The India Meteorological Department on Monday said cyclonic storm Montha is likely to intensify into a severe cyclonic storm by October 28 morning. The weather system over the southwest and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal moved northwestwards with a speed of 15 km per hour during the past 6 hours and lay centered over southwest and adjoining areas of west central and southeast Bay of Bengal. The Supreme Court on Monday pulled up the state governments for not filing an affidavit complying to its August 22 order on stray dogs. The top court said that India's image has been hit globally due to the stray dog menace. A 3-judge special bench noted that only the MCD in states of West Bengal and Telangana have filed their compliance affidavits in pursuance to the Apex Court's August 22 order. The Supreme Court declined to initiate contempt proceedings against advocate Rakesh Kishore, who hurled a shoe at CJI BR Gawai earlier this month. The court observed that the Chief Justice had shown remarkable composure and magnanimity in choosing not to press charges, adding that the incident did not merit further attention. A bench stated that initiating contempt proceedings would only give undue importance to an incident.